Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto bread easy guide. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and prepare a loaf pan by greasing it lightly. Combine flour, yeast, salt, sugar, warm water, and olive oil in a bowl until a soft dough forms. Knead for 8 to 10 minutes, then let it rest until doubled. Fold in 1 cup of pesto evenly, shape, and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Start by activating 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast in 1 cup of warm water with 1 teaspoon sugar for 5 minutes until bubbly. Mix 3 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon salt in a large bowl, then add 2 tablespoons olive oil and the yeast mixture. Stir until combined, then knead on a floured surface for 8 to 10 minutes until elastic. Place in a greased bowl and cover to rise until doubled. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the water bottle I use stays cold and is perfect for keeping you hydrated while kneading and tasting dough, and it pairs nicely with kitchen prep. Check the description for the link and other deals on the product I mentioned. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After the first rise, turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and roll it into a rectangle about 12 by 9 inches. Spread 1 cup of pesto in an even layer, leaving a 1/2 inch border around the edges to prevent overflow. Roll the dough snugly from the long side, pinch the seam to seal, and tuck the ends under. Place the loaf seam side down in a greased pan and let it proof for 30 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.